Learning with rhymes.
Let's learn letters. Come along with me. Sing through the alphabet from A to Z. A for apple, red and sweet. Take a bite, it's such a treat. B for ball, it bounces high. Rolling, bouncing, watch it fly. C for cat, soft and small. Listen closely, hear it call. D for dog with wagging tail, running fast along the trail. E for elephant, big and strong, spraying water all day long. F for fish, swimming fast, bubbles rising as they pass. G for grapes, purple round, hanging in bunches all around. H for hat, up on my head, colorful, bright, shiny red. I for ice cream, cold and sweet, such a yummy, tasty treat. J for jug, full of drink, pour it slowly, don't let it sink. K for kite, flying high, dancing freely in the sky. L for lion, strong and proud, hear it roar so big and loud. M for mango, juicy and sweet, a summer fruit that's fun to eat. N for nest, cozy and round, baby birds make chirping sound. O for orange, juicy, bright, peel it open, what a delight. P for parrot, green and tall, it says hello to one and all. Q for queen, with a crown, smiling, waving all around. R for rabbit, hop, 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 jumping fast, it won't stop. S for sun, shining bright, giving us warmth and light. T for tree, tall and green, leaves and branches make a scene. U for umbrella, rainbow wide, keeps us safe from rain outside. V for van, zooming fast, driving by, it goes past. W for watch, tick and tock, telling time on every clock. X for xylophone, play a song, ding, 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 sing along. Y for yak, strong and tall, with furry hair, it walks slow and dull. Z for zebra, black and white, running fast, what a sight.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more fun rhymes.